In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Euro bank account in Xero. If you work with customers or suppliers in Europe, setting up a Euro account in Xero makes reconciling and reporting much cleaner. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and along the way I'll explain what each screen is doing so you feel confident about your choices. Start by signing in to Xero and opening the organization you want to work in. From your dashboard, head to the chart of accounts. You'll usually find this under the accounting menu. The chart of accounts is the master list of all the places money can come from or go to in your books: income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and yes, bank accounts. We're about to add a new bank account here so it can appear on your dashboard and be available for reconciliations. On the chart of accounts page, select Add Bank Account. Xero typically starts by asking you to search for your bank so it can offer a live bank feed. A bank feed automatically brings in transactions, which saves time. However, if a direct connection isn't available for your Euro account, or you prefer to keep control over statement imports, you can add the account without connecting a feed. Choose Add Without Bank Feed. This tells Xero you want the account created inside your ledger now, and you'll bring transactions in later by uploading statements or using other methods. You can always explore a bank feed connection in the future if it becomes available. Click Continue to move to the setup form for your Euro account. Give the account a clear name you'll recognize at a glance. Something like EUR account works well. Select the appropriate account type, typically a current or checking account, since this is a day-to-day bank account. Add an optional account code if your chart uses them, keeping it unique to avoid clashes. Most importantly, set the currency to Euro, shown as EUR. This ensures Xero records transactions in the correct currency and handles exchange differences accurately when you report in your base currency. A brief description can help teammates understand when to use this account. When you save, your new Euro bank account will appear in your chart of accounts and in the bank accounts area. From there, you can start reconciling once transactions are available. If you don't see EUR as a currency option, check that your organization has the right subscription and permissions for multiple currencies. And if you're moving an existing balance, make a note of your opening balance and date so your first reconciliation lines up cleanly. That's it. Your Euro bank account is now set up in Xero and ready for use.